Balance the redox equation. We are asked to balance this equation. Nothing is specified whether it should be in the acidic medium or basic medium. So let us take down both the oxidation and reduction half reactions. So ClO minus giving, let us find the one having chlorine in it. So chlorate giving chloride, that is one half equation, half reaction. The other is CrO2 2 minus giving the other one which containing chromium is CrO4 2 minus. Here OH minus and H2O, they are not, hydrogen and oxygen are not having a change in their oxidation states. So we need not consider them. So let us take this first reaction, that is ClO minus giving Cl minus, chlorate giving chloride. Left hand side, see chlorine atoms are one chlorine atom each on both sides. They are balanced. One oxygen atom on the left hand side. So in order to add an oxygen atom, we have to add one molecule of water to the right hand side. Oxygens are also balanced now. Now two hydrogen atoms on the right hand side. So we will add two H plus ions on the left hand side. So all the atoms are balanced now. We need to look at the charges. Here we have plus 2 and minus 1. So the resultant will be plus 2 plus minus 1 will give us plus 1. Overall charge on the left hand side is plus 1. Right hand side it is minus 1. No charge on water. So what is the difference between plus 1 and minus 1? So plus 1 minus minus 1 will give us 2. So that many electrons we have to add to the more positive side. This is the more positive side, this one. We saw that the resultant was plus 1. Now let us look at the charges. Minus 2 and plus 2, 0 charge. Here we have a minus 1 on the left hand side and on the right hand side also minus 1. So the charges are balanced. Next equation is CrO2 2 minus giving CrO4 2 minus. So here chromium atoms are balanced, but 2 oxygen atoms on the left hand side and 4 on the right hand side. So to make the number of oxygens the same, we have to add 2 more oxygen atoms here. That is by adding 2 molecules of water, 2 H2O. Now oxygens are balanced. Hydrogens, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens on the left hand side. No hydrogen on the right hand side. So let us add 4 H plus ions on the right hand side. So atoms are all balanced. Now we will look at the charges. Minus 2 charge on the left hand side. Here we have minus 2 and plus 4 from the 4H plus ions. What is the resultant? We can say that plus 4 and minus 2. Plus 4 plus minus 2 will give us plus 2. Overall charge is plus 2. But what is the difference between this plus 2 and minus 2? So plus 2 minus minus 2 will give us 4. So that many electrons we have to add to the more positive side. So 4 electrons. We found that this was the more positive side because here it is minus 2 and here it is plus 4. So the resultant charge was plus 2. So now we have added 4 electrons on the right hand side. Now let us check if the charges are balanced. Plus 4 minus 4, 0. Here it is minus 2. Right hand side minus 2, left hand side also minus 2. That is balanced. Now we don't find any electrons in a balanced equation. So we need to get rid of these electrons. But here there are 4 electrons on the right hand side, and in the first equation 2 electrons on the left hand side. If we can make the number of electrons the same, we can cancel them out. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, we can do that. So 2 into 2, 4e minus, plus 2 into 2 again, 4h plus 2 ClO minus, giving 2 Cl minus plus 2 H2O. Now, after cancelling the common entities, we can add or combine these two. So 4 electrons on either side will go. 4H plus ions on both sides, they will go. 2 water molecules from both sides will go. Now we are left with CrO2 2 minus plus 2 ClO minus, giving CrO4 2 minus plus 2 Cl minus. So this is our balanced equation.